Hi there mates, yeah, I'm going to weigh the prototype board while it's got all the batteries and everything in it. It's quite important to know what the weight of the board is. Other boards out there somewhere between 30 and 60 kilograms in weight. I'm just putting you on a stand. The reason why you want it nice and light is you don't want to be carrying anything heavy about to the pond or to the river or to the sea. Heavy boards, they're hard to turn, not very agile, a lot of inertia to overcome at the beginning. So if you've got a lighter board, power to weight ratio, the better you can get the power to weight ratio, the better. So I'll just stand here because he's a bit of an heavy fella. Yeah. Oh, I'm just fucking tip over. Oh. There you go, I couldn't get my feet behind it. So what are we on there? Says about 15.4, which is about half the weight of other boards out there. So good if you're not built like a brick shit house or a bit grufty. If you're a young kid, ideal. If you go in places and want to track over fields, split the battery pack up, put them in a rucksack and put the board under your arm. It shouldn't weigh much more than, I don't know, 10 kilo. Oh, where am I going? No, probably about 8 kilo, depending on the board that you're using. So anyway, let's get out in the pond and see what this 50% extra spin can do. I'm expecting, if I go out the pond running normally with fast bits and then relaxing, I should be out for about 20-25 minutes run time, which I think I'll want to come in, sit down 5 minutes before I put another battery pack in. Okay, let's get out and test it in the tub. Okay, this is it. I've had 33 kilometres on 6 cell, we've gone up to 9 cell, which is 50% extra. I've got an in runner and an out runner. We're going to be just fiddling about, trying a few things, make sure nothing overheats just when we start up, and then probably put the lids down and give it some thrashing. Okay, let's go. The out runner is on the inside. Hang on, I'll just point that finger. This is the out runner and that's the in runner. Yeah, the board weighs about 15 kilo with the battery setup. I've got 9 cell, but it could run very well on 8 cell or even down to 6 cell really. Bit cheeky that in runner, that out runner. Sucking too much water out the tub and sucking in air, which won't be happening when you're on the pond. Yeah, I'm very happy with the 9 cell. Lovely stuff, yeah. All ready to go. Power to weight ratio, not bad. Yeah, it's pushy. Okay, well, before I put too much of that rubbish in my pond, we're going to call it a night. I'm going to have to get the brush out and just make sure none of that water goes in my pond. So I'm going to be hurrying off now. Well, that was a top success and all this, that and the other. I'm not coming out here again because I've been distressing my fish. Oh, falling over. Poor fellas. Don't know what's going on. Alright, super gang. Tasting that water that's going in there now, so I better get off. Alright, have a wonderful evening. All the very best. And I'll be out on the pond shortly with this. Lovely stuff. Take care, mates. Toodaloo.